Hello friends, in today's video, I'll be giving you simplest trick to nuke your own Discord server. Just hit the thumbs up and let's get started. Step 1. Add a bot. Open a new tab in your browser, search for Xenon bot, select the very first link. Now, you can see invite button, just click on it. Hence, Discord authorization page will get open. Choose server from here that you want to nuke. Click on continue. Fill the CAPTCHA, so that the thanks web page will appear. Step 2. Open Discord. Firstly, you need to copy this simple code. So, just copy it from the description. Then, open your Discord. You can see Xenon bot here. Click on it and then, select add to server, and click continue. Now, go to the text box and type, /template and here, select template load. Now, paste the code we have copied, and press enter. Step 3. Delete selection. It will then ask that do you want to delete this particular things. You can select from these, like delete roles, channels, settings. I'm leaving all of them checked, and click on continue. It'll show the warning, click on confirm. And there you go. As you can see, this channel has been cleared and like brand new. My all channels got deleted within a second. So this is it for the video, and if you want to get started with new Discord channel, watch this video on how to add welcomer bot on Discord server which will make your server look more professional. See you guys in the next one.